In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PIN in your Wise account. This can be a useful skill for enhancing security or simply updating an old PIN with something new and memorable. Let's go through each step to ensure a smooth process. First, grab your phone or any device with the Wise app installed. Open the Wise account by tapping on the app's icon to launch it. Once the app is open, make sure you log into your account using your credentials. It's important to ensure you're logged in because all security changes need to be made directly in your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of your Wise account. This is where you can see an overview of your funds and recent transactions. Now, direct your attention towards navigating to your profile. Look for your profile icon, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Tap on it to access more personalized settings and options. Once you're in your profile settings, the next step is to find the Security and Privacy section. Clicking this option will bring up all things related to the security of your Wise account. This is the hub where you can manage various security features that protect your personal and financial information. From here, locate and click on App Security. This section directly relates to the use of passcodes and PINs and is crucial for what we're aiming to achieve today. As you tap into App Security, you'll spot the option to change your passcode. Before you're able to set up a new passcode, Wise takes precaution by requiring you to verify your current one. This ensures that only the rightful owner of the account is authorized to make such changes. So when prompted, carefully enter your existing passcode. Once you've correctly entered the current passcode, it's time to input the new one you've chosen. Carefully type it in when the screen prompts you to do so. Remember, your passcode should be something secure yet memorable. A mix of numbers that doesn't easily relate to you is usually a good strategy. After you've filled in this information, the next step is to click Confirm to finalize the change. Wise might give you some on-screen prompts or a confirmation message to indicate that your new passcode has been successfully updated. Keep an eye out for these messages as they'll assure you that everything is set up correctly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Wise account PIN. Following these steps not only helps maintain robust security, but also gives you peace of mind that your account is protected. Remember, regular updates to your security settings are always a good practice. Thank you for watching and stay safe online.